Snail mom? Really?
I want a snail daddy.
Snail daddy? What do you draw? Show me. Evan, what do you draw?
What do you try?
Very good. What do you draw? Evan, answer me. What do you draw?
Why you try?
What do you draw?
Snail daddy.
Snail daddy? Oh, really?
No. Snail grandma.
A snail grandma?
Yes.
Yes. Where's the snail grandma?
Grandma here.
Grandma? Where? Oh my god. Look at that. What do you draw, Evan? You draw snail? Lucy, can you show me where's your name? Where's your name? Lucy, where's your name?
Lucy.
Lucy?
Yeah.
So where? Lucy over there. Yes?
This one.
Yeah, that's one. Very good, Evan. Where's your name? Where's your name?
Hey, Daddy, it's working.
Yes. Where's your name, Evan? What do you draw, Lucy?
Lucy.
Lucy? Oh, really? That's so cool. What do you draw, Evan? Evan?
Snail.
Snail? Really? Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Evan, is that a baby snail or father snail or brother snail?
And mommy snail.
Mommy snail? Oh, really? That's so cool.
Yes, your mommy.
Yes. Evan, can you draw a turtle?
No. It's Daddy.
No. So what is that, Evan?
That's a tail.
A turtle?
Yes.
That's amazing. Can you draw the eyes?
I want to try.
What do you draw, Evan? Evan, what do you draw?
Fish.
Fish? Really? Wow. Wow. That's amazing. A turtle? Where's your turtle, Lucy? Wow, that's amazing. Can you show everyone? Hi.
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 Very good. What do you draw, Evan? Evan, can you draw a fish? Wow, that's so cool, Lucy. Oh. Yes.
Oh, family.
A family name.
Yeah.
Where's your grandma name?
Here.
Very good. Where's your grandpa?
Here.
Very good. Where's your daddy name?
Here.
Very good. And where's your mommy name?
Here.
Where's your name? Where's your name, Lucy?
Here.
No, this one. Your name here, Lucy. And where's Evan's name? Evan's name. Evan here. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes. What do you draw, Evan? Evan, what do you draw? Evan, to make an eye?
Yes.
Yes. Oh. Yes. What are you doing, Lucy? You clean the board? Lucy? Lucy? Do you clean the board? Yes or no? Oh. He's so cool. Lucy and Evan, say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. See you next time. Lucy, Say goodbye, everyone. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. Goodbye.